Welcome to the future of sustainable textiles. It begins here, in the lush, expansive bamboo forest.
Through a precise mechanical process, raw bamboo stalks are refined into pulp, extruded into fine filaments. The process begins with mechanical crushing and fiber conversion. The resulting fibers are then spun into lustrous yarn. Automated systems guide the bamboo through shredding and the viscose process. The resulting fibers are woven into soft.
Our commitment to sustainability drives this entire process. We use a closed-loop system, ensuring that our eco-friendly
Welcome to a new era of sustainable fashion, where technology meets nature to create unparalleled comfort.
Utilizing a closed-loop system, automated machinery transforms bamboo into soft, durable yarn.
Witness the journey of sustainable bamboo, expertly crafted and delivered across oceans and skies, bringing natural quality to the
From the dyeing vats to rigorous quality control, every step of our bamboo textile production is meticulously.